Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Long time no see, I know. Are you freaking kidding me, cats? Okay, well that's the first thing we need to tidy up. Literally, look, it's supposed to be up there. Anyways, long time no see. I've been out for a couple weeks and like off YouTube for a couple weeks because work was really crazy because I had to get prepared to go on vacation. So it was like 2 weeks of work smashed into one, and I was just like totally overloaded and worrying about that. You always have to do something noisy when
I'm cleaning! Isn't this a cleaning vlog?
Yes, but I literally like every single time I'm like trying to talk and do something that's so loud. Anyways, so then we went on vacation, which was so nice, but I got sick on vacation. Now we are back home, and we've been home for about a week. And on this past Tuesday, Brendan and I got tested for COVID-19 because I had a lot of symptoms. I'll do a whole vlog about my symptoms and like the process and everything of like learning that you have it, because I just think it would be helpful for people to know when to get tested if they have a mild case like mine. So just in case anyone would want to know. But anyways, so not the point of this video. Anyways, found out that Brendan tested positive for COVID-19, and I have not gotten my test results back, but I'm the one who got him sick, and he didn't really get that sick anyways, but we're like positive that I have it. Like, it would genuinely be a miracle if I didn't have it, and even if I don't have it, like, I've been exposed to it heavily living with him, so
now she has it.
So we've been in quarantine since Tuesday. The only thing that we did was we did go to one doctor's appointment, and that's the only really time that we've been out. Actually, Brendan went to the gym on Monday, which was before we decided that we needed to get tested, so that kind of sucks. But yeah, anyways, this is not the point of the video. The point of the video is that we have literally not unpacked since we got back from vacation, and our apartment is literally a mess. And my cleaning vlogs do pretty well for my channel. Lily's very excited about it. And yeah, this is just gonna be a really insane cleaning vlog. So if you need some good cleaning inspiration and you like the satisfaction of seeing a before and after of a messy and then clean home, this video is for you, and you should probably just keep watching. So I got started by cleaning out all of the expired products in our fridge. I figured there would be quite a few, and I was correct. There's also just a lot of nastiness that has built up in our fridge over time from like thawing meat and a bunch of stuff like that. So I figured I would take today, since we're doing a good deep clean of the apartment, to clean everything out and wipe down the fridge. As you can see, it is literally disgusting. The blood on the bottom shelf, oh my gosh, just wait for it. Ugh, it's so gross. I'm genuinely sorry y'all have to watch this, because that is just absolutely disgusting. So I scrubbed it down with a sponge, and then Brendan started getting ahead on the dishes because we had literally a million dishes to do. This isn't even all of them. We're gonna fill up the entire dishwasher and then have to do a whole second load to get all the dishes done. Look how much freaking stuff needs to be sorted out and unpacked. Especially this item. It's gonna be really difficult to figure out where that needs to go. Mama! Oh,
I got it.
Okay, put it in its spot. Mwah! Thanks for being such a helpful cleaning kitty, Maximus.
The helpful boy.
Look at how he's sitting right now. Literally, look at how he's sitting. Are you freaking joking? What is this? What is this? Ah! Crazies. Then we started to truly unpack our vacation stuff. We had a huge amount of laundry to do, so we ran a load and I started folding and putting everything away. We also stripped the bed and put all of the sheets in the comforter in the dining room because we were also gonna wash those, obviously. Then I just started continuing to unpack other suitcases and put away the clothes that we didn't wear because they were already clean, because we don't want to waste water and wash stuff that was already clean. And while I cleaned up the room, Brendan kind of vacuumed the front area, and then I tidied up our little TV stand and bookcase and everything here. We did grocery delivery for the first time. Don't know how long this has been out there because they didn't text me, but it's fine. We're good. Then we unloaded that first load of dishes and started another load of dishes. Like I said, we had 2 loads worth because there were so many dirty dishes. And then we just finished tidying up the kitchen. Our stove really needed a good wash down, so I scrubbed that with soap and water and then washed it with anti-bac and some paper towels, and then just, you know, cleaned up all of the surfaces in the counter, the backsplash, the sink, and just made sure everything was nice and clean and sparkly. Our microwave was also disgusting, so I went ahead and washed that out too. I used soap and water and a sponge and then cleaned it out again with anti-bac spray. I'm genuinely so embarrassed about how nasty I've let our shower get, but this is a cleaning vlog, so you gotta see the nasty before you see the clean. So I'm still gonna show you guys, but oh my gosh. Literally, I don't even know if you can tell, like, it is so nasty. Like, that's disgusting, ew. And then over here, dun dun dun, like that is so nasty, and there's so much like hair and stuff in there. So I'm going to give this a quick spray down real quick and let it soak, and then take a good old-fashioned sponge to this mess. Oh my gosh, you guys, this looks so much better. It's so clean. Oh, it was so nasty. Oh, I'm so glad that one's done. I've been dreading that one for a while, but it wasn't that bad. My method of soaking it in product and then scrubbing it off with a sponge worked super duper well, so I definitely recommend it. Then I just tied up our bathroom. We had so many toiletries pulled out from vacation that we just never put away. So put those away and then kind of just Windexed the counter and the mirror before making our bed. Everything came out of the dryer and I made our bed, and it looks so nice when it's all made. And this is the finished product. The dining room looks so much better. Kitchen looks so sparkly and clean and white. I'm so happy with it. And then the bathroom looks really good as well. Yay! Hey guys, I'm currently sitting at my desk and editing this video actually for you guys right now, but I realized I forgot to close out the video. I was waiting for one more load to come out of the dryer, but it was like past midnight at that point, and I just did not feel like folding it and stuff. So yeah, anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this little cleaning vlog. If you did, please give it a like and hit that big red subscribe button down below. Yes, I'm in my robe right now. There's also some social links down there as well if you want to come hang out with me on other platforms. Otherwise, I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.